plenty to do. So you make me dance when you hear this song. When we the pop be all over. So waiting. So tell me if you did. Start do you know?
When I say OBO, you say baddest. OBO, baddest. Now shout out to King Oio. He kicked off his 5 Alive tour on Sunday in no better place than, of course, the country that he owns, Belgium. DAVIDO performed as one of the headlining acts at the sold-out 34th edition of the COULEUR Cafe Festival. Now, the COULEUR Cafe Festival is a 3-day festival in Brussells, Belgium that unites people of all races. People travel from different countries just to go and witness the COULEUR Cafe Festival. It's that big. It's pretty big. It's the 34th edition, which means it's been ongoing for a while now. Omale performed on Friday, and on Sunday, DAVIDO just reignited the Afrobeats flames with an amazing performance. The 5 Alive tour is alive now. He's going to be touring the world, different countries. If it's coming to a location near you, my own suggestion, my own advice, those who have never done anything for you, is to make sure you go out and watch OBO. He's that big a performer, and this is a tour you do not want to miss. You can see from these clips you're about to watch how amazing he is on stage. Check it out.
When I say OBO, you say baddest. OBO! Checking in with me. 30 BG's officially in the building, baby. They don't do it like we do. If I speak English, you won't. Church, I don't know what. I know what punish you won't. I want to punish you. If you see my baby, you go sucker. I'm gonna get so high. You my back account to pay. I get it plenty to do. So you make me dance when you hear this song. When we the pop be all over. So waiting. So tell me if you did. Start do you know?
Me, I don't feel like your body take all my attention.
Fuck